Hi, and welcome to the video review of Heptabase. Ever wished you could organize your thoughts as easily as arranging furniture in a room? That's exactly what Heptabase brings to digital note-taking. This visual workspace lets you spread out your ideas, connect them naturally, and build a personal knowledge system that actually makes sense. What makes Heptabase different from regular note-taking apps? Think of it as your digital whiteboard that never runs out of space. You create cards for your thoughts, images, or files, then arrange them however you want. Want to connect two ideas? Just draw a line between them. Need to group related concepts? Drag them together. It's that simple. But here's where it gets really interesting. How do you manage all this information without getting lost? Heptabase has thought this through. Your cards live in a central library, making them easy to find. Plus, you can tag them, link them to specific dates, or organize them on different whiteboards. And if you're wondering about research papers or PDFs, yes, you can import those too, highlight important parts, and turn them into cards. Speaking of research, let's talk about who's using Heptabase and why they love it. Students are using it to make study materials that actually stick in their minds. Researchers are connecting dots between different papers and findings. Writers are plotting their stories visually. Even project managers are using it to break down complex projects into manageable pieces. What about daily use? The journal feature lets you jot down quick thoughts or to-dos. But unlike regular journals, these entries can link to your other notes, building a web of connected ideas over time. And for those who love getting things done, there's a task management system that collects all your to-dos in one place. You might be wondering about the learning curve. While this AI review can confirm it's straightforward to start, the real magic happens as you develop your own way of organizing information. Some users start with simple note-taking and gradually explore more features as they get comfortable. The community feedback has been notably positive, with users particularly praising how Heptabase helps them think more clearly and see connections they might have missed otherwise. The visual approach seems to click with how our brains naturally process information. Looking ahead, Heptabase is working on some exciting AI features to make your note-taking even smarter. They're also planning more export options and enhanced task management features. Want to learn more? You can find this AI review and additional information about Heptabase at jimcarter.me. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.